Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Trading Tutor channel. If you'd like to create a free Demat account with Alice Blue, click the link in the description and fill out your details. You'll also get intraday recommendation calls and you can learn robo trading software for free. Now, let's look at deliverable quantity in shares. Now, what is deliverable quantity? Now, this is the deliverable quantity or deliverable volume. This is the quantity of shares which actually move from one set of people who had those shares in their Demat account before today and are selling today to another set of people who have purchased those shares and will get those shares by the T plus 2 days in their Demat account. Now, these T plus 2 days refers to the trading plus the 2 days. Deliverables are the specific section of total volume traded shares which are actually transferred from one person's to another's Demat account. In short, ownership is transferred. So here is the formula for the deliverable quantity. So the deliverables percentage is equal to deliverable quantity divided by the traded quantity multiplied by 100. So here the deliverable quantity is calculated by total volume minus the intraday or the interday volume. So here's an example for this. Suppose person A sells 100 shares and person B buys those 100 shares and sells it to person C. When the person C buys those 100 shares and sells it to D, person D, after buying those shares, is keeping it with him as delivery to get in his Demat. So here, total volume is 300 shares, but 100 shares were delivered from A to D ideally, and 200 shares were done in intraday. So the total deliverable quantity is only 100. So let's look at the importance of the deliverables quantity. The day's chart, that is the price movement, to identify whether it is a bullish or a bearish chart. So the bullish graph, which shows the price up movement with very high deliverable quantity, and many investors, including the foreign institutional investors and big investors, are pouring in their money to get hold of these shares. So the bearish graph, which shows the price down movement with high deliverable quantity, and many investors are selling off their investment and getting out of that script. There may be something bad about it, or they're expecting a bearish trend. So the bullish or the bearish graph will be with very less deliverable quantity but indicates nothing to be alarmed of since investors are not taking much action. So let's look at the variation in the delivery and the traded quantity. When the deliverable quantity percentage increases along with the stock price, it shows a bullish move on the stock. The investors are buying the stock and the delivery of the stock into the Demat account, it's there for a longer period and the stock price will rise in the future. When the deliverable quantity percentage decreases along with the stock price, it indicates that the bearish move is on the stock. The investors has been earlier holding the stock in their Demat account and are now selling it, and the stock price will likely plunge in the near future. When the deliverable quantity is not increasing and the stock price is increasing, then there is no bullish or bearish move on the stock. So this indicates that the stock rise is not sustainable for a long term. The demand for the stock for that particular day is very high, which is causing the stock to rise. And most of the trades are intraday trades where the investors are trying to take advantage of the news and book profits. When the deliverable quantity is increasing and the stock price is not increasing exponentially, it could be that the investors are having the faith in the stock and they are expecting something good. This is a good indicator to hold the stock for a long term. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel. If you'd like to create a free Demat account with Alice Blue, click the link in the description and fill out your details. You'll also get intraday recommendation calls and you can learn robo trading software for free.